You sleep 8 hours but still drag through your day. This isn't laziness, and it's not normal. Feeling constantly tired even after enough sleep affects millions of people. It can come from hidden causes, not just lack of sleep. 1, poor sleep quality. You might be sleeping long, but not well. Blue light, stress, or disrupted cycles prevent deep rest. Solution: turn off screens 1 hour before bed, keep your room cool, and follow a consistent schedule. Deep sleep restores hormones and repairs your cells. Superficial sleep doesn't. Cause 2, nutrient deficiencies. Fatigue can come from nutrient gaps, like iron, B12, vitamin D, and magnesium. Low iron can cause anemia, making it hard for your blood to carry oxygen. Low B12 can give brain fog and lethargy. Solution: get blood tests if needed and eat balanced, nutrient-rich meals. Cause 3, dehydration. Even mild dehydration makes your body work harder and leaves you feeling sluggish. Solution: drink water throughout the day to keep your energy levels up. Cause 4, stress and mental load. Chronic stress drains your energy, even when you get enough sleep. Stress impacts hormones, sleep cycles, and overall vitality. Solution: simple breathing exercises, short walks, or meditation can help reduce stress and restore energy. Cause 5, sedentary lifestyle. Being too inactive ironically makes you more tired. Regular movement boosts circulation, improves sleep quality, and increases energy. Solution: start with just a 10-minute walk daily. When it's more than lifestyle. Sometimes fatigue isn't just lifestyle. It could be a sign of underlying conditions like thyroid imbalance, diabetes, or chronic inflammation. Solution: consult a doctor if tiredness persists despite lifestyle changes. Daily routine tips to boost energy. Hydrate first thing in the morning. Eat a protein and fiber-rich breakfast. Take a 10-minute walk. Have a 15-minute midday break. Wind down with no screens before bed. Being tired isn't your fault. It's your body signaling an imbalance. Start with small changes and you'll feel the difference. If you want more science-based health hacks, subscribe now and share this with someone who's always tired.